My life. My name is Zoya. I live in India. My life is simple, but I have many dreams. Every day, I try to learn something new. I believe that hard work can change my life. I know success does not come in one day, so I keep moving forward. I was born in a simple family. My parents work very hard for our family. They always teach me to be honest, kind, and respectful. They want me to study well and become successful. I love my parents very much because they support me in every situation. When I was a child, I liked playing with my friends. I also liked reading books and learning new things. As I grew older, I understood that education is very important. It helps us become better people and gives us a bright future. Now I spend my time learning English and improving my skills. English is not easy for me because I studied in a Hindi medium school. Sometimes I make mistakes while speaking. Sometimes I feel shy. But I never give up because every mistake teaches me something new. I want to speak English confidently. Every day I learn new words, read simple stories, and practice speaking. I know that if I practice every day, I will become better. My dream is to speak English fluently one day. I also enjoy learning about computers and websites. Technology is changing the world, and I want to learn new digital skills. I believe these skills will help me get a good job and build a better future. My life has not always been easy. I have faced many difficulties. Sometimes I feel sad when things do not go as planned, but I always remind myself that problems make us stronger. Every challenge teaches me an important lesson. In my free time, I like listening to motivational speeches, reading inspiring stories, and watching educational videos. They give me hope and encourage me to work harder. Positive thinking helps me stay strong. My biggest dream is to make my parents proud. I want to earn money honestly and give my family a comfortable life. I also want to help people who need support and education. Helping others makes me happy. I believe that success comes with patience, discipline, and hard work. I know my journey is not easy, but I am ready to face every challenge. I will never stop learning because learning is the key to success. Life is full of ups and downs. Sometimes we win, and sometimes we lose. But every new day gives us another chance to try again. I believe in myself, and I know that one day I will achieve my goals. My life is a journey of learning, hope, and hard work. I am thankful for everything I have. I will keep working, keep smiling, and keep believing in my dreams. One day, my hard work will become my success, and my story will inspire many people.